Welcome to our tutorial video on how to fix live option not showing on TikTok. I'm Yakin from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. But before we hop in, let's be clear that TikTok have certain criteria that you need to match to be able to go live on TikTok, such as you need to be at least 16 years old, and the other one is you need to have at least 1,000 followers on TikTok. If you think you have matched the criteria, then you can go ahead and try this process. First, open up your TikTok application, and once the app opens up, go to your profile. Now here, if you have 1,000 followers or more, what you need to do is take a screenshot of this interface and now tap on the three horizontal line in the upper right corner. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. And once you land on the settings page, scroll down to the very bottom and select Report a Problem under Support and About. Again, scroll down and select Live. Now under the given topics, tap on How to Start a Live. Now in this page, TikTok will basically guide you on how to start a live video. But since our issue has not been solved, tap on No at the bottom. Now click on Need More Help. After that, you'll be brought up to this page. Now what you need to do is tap on this picture-like icon and upload the screenshot that we took earlier. Once the screenshot has been updated, type down your issue in the description box. In the description box, you can type down, I do meet the criteria, but TikTok is not allowing me to start a live video. Once you're done typing down your issue, all you need to do is click on the submit button below. And now TikTok will look after your problem and will follow you up accordingly. So yeah, that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful to some extent. And if you did, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.